Now let's talk about our top automation package, the ultimate technology, Predictive Ground Speed Automation. You may have heard of Harvest Smart in the past, where we controlled ground speed based on engine load. Well, those days are over, and now we're looking ahead of the combine. We have Predictive Ground Speed Automation, where we're taking satellite imagery through the growing season to estimate biomass of how much material is in the field. We combine that with cameras that are mounted up on the cab. They're looking ahead and classifying the crop as it's coming in. With those two data sources, we can predictively control the ground speed of that combine and deliver up to 20% increased productivity. Now let's hear from a customer about their experience with the automation.
I'll be harvesting 80 bushel beans at 6 miles per hour. And before the automation, I didn't even know that my machine could do that. So when I turn the automation off, I still don't feel like I can go 6 miles per hour, because it's like if I set it at 6 miles per hour and then all of a sudden my engine load goes way up into the red, then I got to back it back down. So I'm just, as an operator, I'm not comfortable operating at 6 miles per hour. But with the automation, I can run at 6 miles per hour and the computer is always watching it for me. And so if it knows that there's going to be an influx of beans coming in, it slows down for me, and there's less fatigue at the end of the day. I don't have to watch as carefully, and I don't have to control my speed all the time. So it allows me to run as efficiently as possible, but also not really have to pay attention quite as much to the machine. And it's like having a co-pilot right there next to me. I'm just not comfortable pushing my machine. My machine is comfortable pushing my machine, but I'm not. And so when I'm not running automation, I tend to hang around 5 miles an hour, maybe 5.5, but I don't get that extra 6 mile an hour on my manual days. When I run automation, it does everything for me and it makes the decisions. And so it's constantly running at the most efficient capability that it's able to. It's just always doing the best job it can, as to where, as an operator, I can't afford to put that much attention all day long for 15 hours a day into my machine. So I have grown to prefer the automation over running manual, because I'm lapping my dad and uncles when I'm running automation, and whenever I'm running on manual, I find that comfortable spot and I stick there all day. I don't push my machine.